If you're experiencing FPS drops in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to help improve your gaming performance. This guide will walk you through some common solutions. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Step 2. Adjusting game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Access the options menu and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality to see if performance improves. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources and improve overall performance. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help resolve performance issues. Step 5. Optimize system performance. Make sure your system is optimized for gaming. This includes disabling unnecessary startup programs, ensuring sufficient disk space, and checking for malware that could be affecting performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Baldur's Gate 3. Happy gaming!